जिसकी फीस पे नहीं हुई?
I was asking for the names because the name is given over here only Aisha. That's why I was asking. Is there
नहीं सर,
are there
सर मुझे टेंशन ना होगी।
no
नहीं
no
सर मुझे टेंशन होगी थी क्योंकि मेरे पापा हमेशा टाइम से पहले फीस पे कर।
Okay, fine, doesn't matter. Let me check. Are there other Aishas as well in the class? So we will be able to find out. Okay, doesn't matter.
ओके फाइन सर, थैंक यू।
Fine. Okay, ji. Now, as I had told you, you have to submit the assignments, and I had given you the assignments in your classroom. So if we go to the classroom, you will see that two things are there which were due on you. One is basically a project that you have to make in Microsoft Publisher, and the project's due date is basically 6 September. Fine, due date is 6 September. One assignment was there that I gave you. It was assignment 1 computer science. Assignment 1 computer science that I gave you, and its due date was 30th of August. Acha, now the students, those who have not submitted the assignments, then definitely they are not going to have the marks for this assignment. Okay, keep in mind. Okay, you will not get the marks if you have not turned in. So let me show you those students' names who have submitted. So those students' name who have submitted, their names will be coming to me. And I had told you that when you will join the class, so keep in mind that in your Google Classroom, your name should be, this is very important, your name should be just like Ayat Zubair is mentioned over here, as according to the given name in your register, attendance register. Similarly, Aisha Wasim is there, Ali Usman is Imran is there, Alishba Irfan. So these are the names which are matching, but just like this is the name, you are using some letters or characters. So I am not going to give the students, these students, Ji Khan, I am not able to understand. I am going to delete it. I will not entertain it at all. Keep in mind. Such kind of students who are having the names which are not according to the attendance register, they will not get the marks. Keep in mind. Okay. So some people are there who are teachers, so they are definitely there, just like me and other persons are there. But some are there who are not students, or neither students nor teachers, but parents' name or sibling names. So they will not be allowed to take the assignment, and their assignment marks will not be given to them, because some teachers are also there who are there in the Google Classroom. So definitely they are there, but those persons who are basically their parents' names or the siblings' names, so definitely how they will get the marks? Getting this thing. Okay, so these are the things that you need to understand. You need to rename yourself over here according to your given name. The given name is according to your attendance register, it should be fine. So I don't think so okay there would be any problem. Acha ji. Now those who have got some questions, they can. Acha, one more thing is there that I want to clarify. When you submit assignment, you send me a WhatsApp message, sir, I have submitted, please check. it's not your task to ask me कि please check. I will check definitely. ठीक है? You don't need to send me the WhatsApp again and again. Have you checked my assignment? Have you checked my assignment? So this is not the way. There is a due date for assignment. When the due date will be over, I will check the assignment. When I will check the assignment, you will see that you have got the marks for that assignment or not. For example, if some assignment is there, let's suppose this is an assignment. Let me check one so that I can return and I can ask the student whether she has received or not. Okay, when I will click the assignment, definitely I will be able to see the assignments. When the work, I will see that it is according to the requirement and the formula has been applied on it. So then I will check that the formula is applied or they have just mentioned the numbers or they have done it by calculation. So definitely I'm going to check this thing. Okay, whether the student has done it. Yes, this is done by the formula and the work is according to the requirement. Then I am going to give the marks over here. Okay, when I will give the marks, I will click on the return button. Those marks will be sent to you. Okay, Maida, can you check in your Google Classroom that you have received the marks? Can you see there? Please log in the Google Classroom and raise the hand and then let me know. So this is the way. Doesn't mean that you are submitting assignment, then you are asking, then you are also sending me on the WhatsApp, you are also sending me the picture. No, I don't need the pictures. I have told you that I will receive the assignment in the Google Classroom. I am not going to take the assignment in, you know, in any kind of, any sort of document or picture. I will receive the assignment in the Google Classroom. I will check over here and I will return it to you. Are you getting this point? So this is the thing that you need to understand. And of course, when you will see, then you will be able to know. Yes, Maida, will you please tell me now? Are you able to see the marks?
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum
Yes,
salam.
I am able to see the marks.
In your Google Classroom, okay?
Yes.
Okay, since I checked her paper, the assignment that was given to me, so that's why I am able to, I have given the marks, so she is able to see the marks. Okay, kya marks mile? Getting this point? So in this way, when I will return, so definitely now the last date is over. On Wednesday, you will get next assignment. So inshallah, before Wednesday, by Wednesday, I will check all the assignments and I will, when I will check all the assignments, then I will return and you will be able to see the marks. Number one thing. Number two thing is that now, since the last date is over, so you will not be able to attempt those who have not submitted. Okay. Some students are there who have joined 2 times. For example, I am unable to understand that Ayat Zubair names is coming 2 times. Either she has joined by the cell phone and by the computer in both the ways. So you will submit your assignment only once. Okay. So this is the thing that I have already explained you. Okay, whenever I will check the assignment, when I will see the assignment, I will see that whether the assignment is up to mark. And after checking, after going through that particular assignment, I will give the marks, and the student will be definitely able to see that the marks are awarded to her, and then he or she will be able to see. Okay, after this class, maybe today or tomorrow, all the students will have the result of the assignments. Okay. Yes, Hiba Imran, can you check and can you tell me by raising the hand that you have received the marks or not? Okay, ji. Yes, let me take the question now. Hasnan Nawaz. Yes, Hasnan, what is your question?
Sir, can I give the assignment today?
No, the last date is over. Because last date was 30th. So it means K 30th up to 12 o'clock, it was the time. And I gave you the
But
three.
I didn't
It
know the
was a
time.
small task of 5 minutes. It was not of more than 5 minutes task. That
Sir,
time.
can I do it today?
No, but you won't be able to do, na, because the last date is over now. The work, it will not working. It will not take the marks. It will not take your assignment. If you go to your Google Classroom and try to attempt it, because the due date was there, so it will not allow you. Automatically, the system will not allow you. Getting this thing? Okay. Salaf Ibrahim, yes, quickly ask the question so that we can move towards
Sir,
today's.
there will be orals this year
No,
before exams.
no, right now there isn't anything. Right now we are discussing about this term exam and these assignments and the projects. Okay. Iman Zafar.
Sir, I changed my name now. My assignment is showing up on your screen. Is it there?
Definitely it would be if your name is there, so it would be there. Yeah, it is
Yeah.
there.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So your name should be accordingly. Keep in mind. Okay? Your name
I
is
changed the file name to my name in the register.
fine, fine. Nabiha Asad. Yes, quickly ask the questions quickly.
Sir, I want to ask that the project, which is we have to create a brochure, we have to email or upload it on Google Class.
Definitely in the same way in the Google Classroom. In the same way in the Google Classroom, you will submit it. And when you have submitted, don't need to open it. When I will see that assignment, I will download it. And after downloading, I will see it. Okay? And
Okay.
then I will be able to give you the marks. Getting this thing?
Hmm.
Okay, so this thing should be clear. Just like this is the project, no? I think some students have submitted. So when I will click it, so it will not be opened, I think, directly in the Google Classroom. So I will have to download it. Acha, if you will not able to see the preview of the brochure, if you are not able to see, don't worry about it because it is a separate file. No? It is another type of file which is not supportable in Google Classroom. It is publisher file. So if you have submitted by attaching your publisher file and you are not able to see it, so it doesn't matter because I will be able to see it by downloading. When I will click on the download button, I will have it will be downloaded as you can see on my screen. Just like Hiba has given this assignment on the Google Classroom. When I click on the download button, now I have got this. When I will click it, so it will be opened in my publisher on my PC. So when it will be open, so I will check it. And then after checking that thing, okay, that particular assignment, I will give the marks. Okay, fine. अच्छा जी. Isa Abu Huraira, yes, quickly. Yes, Isa, what is your question? Achha, those students whose questions are now covered, so they should lower their hands. बहुत से सवालों का जवाब मैंने दे दिया, ठीक है? So this is not an issue. Yes, Isa Abu Huraira, you have raised the hand. Quickly. Yes, Isa. Your voice is not clear, so I'm unable to listen to you. Liman Khan.
Sir, I just wanted to ask that did you receive my assignment?
I have already told this thing. If you are able to see in your Google Classroom you have submitted assignment, don't need to worry. No need to ask me. Have you received? If you have submitted, then definitely it would be received. Okay. Yasir Badr. Yasir, you are not allowed to take the class. Your name is given to me by your class teacher. Yasir.
Sir, yesterday I have baked.
But no information is with me, okay? Send the receipt to your class teacher. When she will send it to me, then I will allow you, okay? Fine. Urfa.
But
Quickly.
I want to tell that Jihan is my father, Gul Rahim. So
Yeah,
can
yeah,
you
I
give
know. Some teachers are there that I know very well. I know about
so
it.
can you give the marks now? I will next time I will do with my account.
You should rename that name, okay? It will be
Sir,
renamed
I don't
automatically.
know. I don't know how to rename.
When you join the classroom, so that particular ID that you have made, so you will have to rename, you know, that name, first name and the second name, okay? So that is the thing. Okay, you will have to do it accordingly. That's why I said okay, parents name should not be allowed. Okay, I will see this, but you should resolve it. Okay, fine. Dua, Dua Atif. Yes, quickly.
Yeah, assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum Ji, quickly.
Yes, sir.
You have raised the hand. If you have
Sir,
got
I wanted to ask you, did you got my presentation because it was having an error?
that project, publisher,
I sent you 2 times, sir, because it was coming an error.
publisher, you're talking about the project, na? Or MS Excel assignment. You have to do it, definitely. Ayaz Zubair.
Sir, I would like to apologize for sending 2 times. Sir,
Okay,
because
doesn't matter.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, doesn't matter. But once you have to join once, okay? That's why I mentioned, okay, such kind of things should be resolved. Yes, Ibrahim bin Wakar, quickly. Ibrahim bin Wakar.
Yes.
Yes, you have raised the hand. What is your question?
Oh, I wanted to ask. I wanted to ask why will it take you so much time to check the assignments?
There is a due date, okay? So when the due date is there, so it means that students are doing the assignments. When the due date will be over, then assignments will be checked, and before next assignment the results will be shown.
Okay.
Aris Khan.
Yes, sir. I wanted to say, can you also check for some of the P1B students right now?
No, not right now, I was just showing the example. Okay, you will be able to see, inshallah. Mohammad Safi.
Sir, I wanted to say that I have sent you already my project. So, but I didn't make by 3/4. I didn't make by the 3/4 project.
No, it should be threefold brochure. You have time for the project. Keep in mind, it should be threefold brochure. Keep in
Okay.
mind.
Okay, so
Yeah, you will have to submit it.
I will unsubmit you, then I will submit you.
Yeah, you have time. Still the time is there. Salaf Ibrahim.
Sir, I have 2 questions. First
Quickly. We have less time.
should we make in the project only one slide in the project? Should we make only one slide?
Yeah, one.
Because you
One.
said like, sir, I mean like a menu.
Of course, there are three. The threefold brochure is basically the brochure which is basically two side. You know, it is two side brochure. So
Sir, I made it like a menu of a restaurant.
that's fine. But keep in mind कि threefold का मतलब क्या है? Threefold means कि it has three portions on one side, okay, and three portions on the second side. So basically there are two sides, you know, two sides are there. Keep in mind, all these students should listen this thing. When we say threefold brochure in publisher, all these students just lower the hand now. Let me mark the attendance first. Lower the hands, all the students. Let me mark for attendance first. Lower the hand, I said. No one will raise the hand. No one will raise the hand. Acha ji, from Aris Khan to Ali Usman P1B, then Ali Usman to Iman Zafar P1A, Umar Latif, Nabiha Asad, Sattu Afan Javed, and then, okay, fine. Acha ji. So I was telling you, okay, when you will open the publisher, just look at the screen. Let me guide something about the project. When you will open the publisher, you will see that when you take a new file, there are two options, built-in or new. You go to the built-in, go to built-in. This is built-in option. Then go to brochures. When you will go to brochures, you can take any one of them and you can edit it accordingly. Okay? Or you can make at your own. You can take any design from here and you can edit it for a food restaurant. Let's suppose we take this design. Okay. When I double click on it, you will see that there are two pages, one front side, one back side. This is inside. ये जो page 2 है ना, this is basically inside, and this is back side. Keep in mind that inside and back side there are two pages in threefold brochure. There are two pages. Two pages मतलब two sides. One page. Page तो एक ही है, but it has two sides, front side and back side. Okay. ये बैक साइड वो है जो कि बाहर आ जाएगा, और ये इन साइड जो ये अंदर जाएगा. अच्छा, देयर आर पोर्शंस. ये देख रहे हो आप, दीज आर दी पोर्शंस, वन पोर्शन, टू पोर्शन एंड थ्री पोर्शन. दिस इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड थ्री फोल्ड ब्रोशर. व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड थ्री फोल्ड ब्रोशर? क्योंकि इसमें तीन पोर्शन है, इसको हम फोल्ड करते हैं, बिकॉज वी फोल्ड इट टू मेक द portion. Now you will edit it according to your requirement and you will insert the pictures and you will do all the things. You will give the organization name, organization logo, some good pictures, contact information of the organization, good color schemes and all these things. Getting this thing? So in this way, basically what you are going to do, you are going to make a threefold brochure. It will have two sides. Keep in mind. Yes, Surya Mustafa, what is your question? Quickly. Our class time is about to over. Yes, Hiba Imran.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes.
Sir, I want to say that, but I have made only one.
Yeah, I have seen. But
I want to add.
You can submit it again. Still time is there. You can submit it again. Fine. You can unsubmit.
Okay.
Okay, 6
Thank you.
September is the last date, 6 September. Because when I taught you this topic, I had told you that when we say that threefold brochure does not mean that it will be blank from the other side. No, it will be definitely having text and material, and you would have seen such kind of brochures in the food restaurants and in different types of shops. You would have seen. Okay, doesn't matter. Acha ji, I think all the questions are covered now. Saad Fayaz, yes, what is your question, Saad?
Sir,
Quickly, class time is
sir,
about over.
sir, for Excel one, I put the numbers by my own, but I use some. Is that okay?
No, it is not okay. Because the total marks were supposed to be calculated by formula.
I
Okay, fine. Yes, Saulav Ibrahim.
Sir, I have Excel 2016, so when it's going to be 20, it's going to be different.
Sorry?
It's okay?
What is your question?
Okay, sir.
Okay, ji, our class time is now about to over, so I think all these things are now clear to all of you. And you will be able to submit the assignment. This assignment date is over now, so you will submit it again when the next assignment will be given to you. And project date is, you know, that it is 6 September, so you can do it, you can complete it, and then you will submit it. After submission, if it is not visible, doesn't matter. This is a publisher file, so it will not be visible like like a thumbnail. So when I will download it, and then I will be able to see this. So I hope all your questions and queries are addressed today. Thank you so much.